Hey DIYers, good morning. Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. It's a big day today. Drinking my morning coffee right now, and believe it or not, we're moving up. That's right. The wife just purchased some brand new Adirondack chairs. So what we'll do is open the box, assemble them, and have a seat. And if they're comfortable, we may just sit there the rest of the day and relax. Let's get started. And looks like 2 big boxes and 1 little box. I'm assuming chairs and table. Let's go and open everything. All right, YouTubers, we ordered bright red, and they weren't kidding. That's bright red. Let's go ahead and pull them out. Both chairs out of the box. On the armrest of each chair looks like some additional wrapping and maybe some hardware. Let's go ahead and open it. After opening up those packaging, there are assembly instructions, and check this out. Make sure lower back support is in the forward position for upright assembly. Take a look at that. They're referring to this back portion here. And I've got both chairs out, and you will notice a difference. That is still in the down position, and the actual backrest is still in a forward slant, and that would not be comfortable. So again, what they want is for you to shift that lower mount forward, and what happens as you do that is your backrest angles out and to the rear. You've got 2 pins, and it says rubber mallet may be necessary. And right down here, little hole, and yeah, that's going to be a tight fit. So what we'll do is go grab the rubber mallet and install those. All 4 pins installed, again 2 on each chair. Time to open up the table. Here's what it looks like inside the box. I see some screws, so there are going to be some assembling steps. Table parts out of the box. There is an instructional guide, 12 Phillips screws, as you can see here. Not gonna bore you with this process, just screw them in. All the holes shown in this pictorial image and guide. And again, study those pictorial images and make sure you are installing these parts properly. You've got larger indents for the screw holes, and those go on the exterior portion. Here's what the internal sides look like. So again, position those properly. Making progress, table legs are installed. Very important. Do not fully tighten screws. That'll come later down in the final step, and I'll attach and secure the braces. And I just want to show you what it is supposed to look like. Again, those larger holes or indents are to be facing outward or on the external portion of the legs. When securing these braces, the screw goes through the larger outer hole all the way through and into that hole on the brace. Next, I brought it to a completely level concrete surface and apply pressure and move the legs. And once it is no longer wobbly, secure all 12 screws. Everything is all assembled and secured. Now we're gonna find the perfect spot for it. We got a couple different spots we're thinking. All right, YouTubers, location number 1, right out our front door. Pretty cool rectangular indent in the brick design. Pretty cool tucked away location for those seats. Check that out. And the way those seats are positioned, they are facing east. We can come out here in the morning, drink our coffee, and watch the sunrise. A few additional red items, the red door. We got the red star up above, and I like that location. However, we have a different location. Let's go check that out. Went ahead and moved the chairs down to the rear patio, and another cool feature about these chairs, they're not really heavy. Let's go check it out. And I like this other location as well because we are surrounded by the gardens. We got a rose garden right here. We've got the peony garden here. We can sit here, drink our coffee in the morning. The way that these are positioned, they're right behind the corner portion of the house, so that does block a little bit of the sunlight in the morning, which is neat. So again, we can sit there, drink our coffee, kids can play in the yard. We also thought about putting them underneath the pergola. However, what we'll do is purchase different furniture for here. We're also thinking about a fireplace, which will be neat as well. So what do you think, YouTubers? Location number 1 or location number 2? Definitely let us know. Hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us, and we would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.